Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be doing a faux marble finish to my old coffee table. So now I'm about to use my spray away glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth just to give it a good cleaning off before we use the contact paper. So right here is the contact paper that I purchased from Lowe's. It was only $7.99. It has instructions on the back of it as well as some lines for measuring. I didn't use that at all and I probably should have. But here I am measuring out on my own by eye to see exactly where I should put it. But even as we move on along in the video, you'll see that I put it in the middle first, and then had two that I needed to cut for both ends, the top and the bottom. But I should have just did half, one on the bottom and one on the top. Let's just see how it turns out. So here you'll see I had to go and grab a credit card. I was smoothing it out with my hand at first, but the credit card worked much better and to ensure some of those air bubbles get pushed out. Even though there's still a few air bubbles that remained, for the most part I was able to get a lot of them out much better with the credit card as opposed to just trying to smooth it out with my hands. As the saying goes, measure twice and cut once. I don't know if it's just a saying, but it is true. A lot of times I do not measure anything. I try to eyeball everything, but on a project like this, I really do recommend trying to take some type of measurement. Again, the surface is glass and is smooth, but the shape of it is round. So it can possibly be a little bit more difficult to do a round surface than it would be, or a round shape rather, than a square. But I worked it out as best I possibly could. So as you can see, this particular table, the glass sits right into it. So it was easy for me to just flip the table over and stick it to the underside of the table. And when it's placed back into the table, it sits right in. You can't really see where any imperfections far as the edges are concerned. So that was another thing that I really liked about it. And this project really reminded me of back when we were in school and had to cover our textbooks. So some of those things from 3rd and 4th grade comes back to you. I remember having to do it, but I probably did it better than I am right now. Also, cutting off the excess paper and making these slits too. That really helped out a lot, made it a little bit more easier to go around that curved edge of the table. And now I'm just going to create a little tablescape. Just wanted to note that these items that I'm using today are items that I already had around the home, like this lantern, which I purchased from Michael's, I believe it was early summer. And this white amber candle was purchased from Ross. So a lot of the things I already had on hand. I didn't have to spend anything extra. Again, just bought the faux marble contact paper. That was the only thing I purchased for this project. And the greenery was also purchased in the beginning of the summer as well, or end of spring, from Target's Dollar Spot.
comments what you think. And I think it came out pretty good. Maybe a lot of decor on the table for now, but more than likely I'll rearrange that, take some things away, and add some things to it. But for right now, I like it. I think it's very festive and cute. There were some bubbles, air bubbles still left in the table. I tried to get them out as best I possibly could without tearing the paper. But for what it's worth, you can't beat it. $7.99 to make this type of transformation. And again, this was my outside table that I brought inside. This goes to a patio set. And it was a rough color, but I also spray painted it in this light gold. I think the contrast is pretty neat. So again, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. And also I found a table yesterday from Home Goods. It was on clearance, and I'll take a couple of pictures of that and leave that too. That match, which made me say this is something I wanted to do to my table. And again, I think it came out well. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks so much again for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and leave a comment below, as well as hit the notification bell to see some more videos like this. Thank you again. Have a blessed one.